This is the video for Monday, May 6th, 2024. This is the Astro Excel chart for the week ahead. You can see the green line is down below -10 and drifting through the early part of the week all the way into the 9th, where it starts to go sideways around 8 a.m. and it's sideways right at the zero line for the whole day. So it's really a neutral factor there. So the early part of the week is slightly bullish pressure applying. And then as we get into Friday, that flat line ends at about 11 a.m. and then we get a sharp drop into the afternoon. So that little piece there is probably the strongest move in here. We've got spike peaks on Monday, 2 a.m. and then at night around 2100. We've got smaller peaks Tuesday. We've got a late spike Tuesday at just at midnight. Wednesday morning, another spike. Wednesday at 7 a.m. The next important spike would be early Friday morning right here at 1 a.m. and then the other one is not till after the close Friday. So once again, you would want to look for the points where these lines are moving in the same direction for a trend. You can look at that. And then again, Friday afternoon, we've got a little bit of divergence between the green line and the blue line. As the green line dips down sharply, the blue line moves sharply up. Anyhow, that's the look at Astro Excel for the coming week.